Why? I'm your vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Brindon, live and alive in Ilonggo cuisine, Taste of Iloilo. Okay, that's Taste of Iloilo, balbakwa with unlimited rice. But their specialty is more of balbakwa and the KBL. You know what's the KBL? O sa Ilonggo, muna ang kadyos, baboy at langka. Namit na, barato pa. Just in a group of people here, you cannot pay 1,000. Yeah, we have our family dinner the other day. We just pay 645. Yeah, we are I think five of us have eaten this place, and super barato. Barato, namit pa. So today we'll feature again their garlic chicken. May pork adobo, their bangus, fried bangus, okay. Gulay, and of course another gulay munggos. They also have this one, you call this one binignit. Ano na sa Ilonggo, mama? Binignit yan. O linugaw. So the owner of this is Eric Blancia. They have their branch in Ruhas, in exact address in Ruhas, ma'am. Palma Hill? Palma Hill, okay. The same name, Taste of Iloilo. Okay, this is the Tinola Native Manok. This is my order today for my lunch. Okay, this one, apritada. Calderita rather, pork calderita. Of course, thank you. And the favorite one, almost consumed by consumer, the KBL, kadyos, baboy, langka, super, namit, give barato pa. Ginuguan, almost consumed na. Pansit, okay, barato na, namit pa. Another one, this one, it is also their specialty, the balbakwa. Balbakwa and the KBL. Okay, so this is it. And last time when I featured this one, I wasn't able to feature the facilities. This is their table. They have also CR there. And the kubo-kubo. There's the kubo. Also, available here are this one, ready to wear. Sir Panis, you subscribe ha, Mabuhay channel. I will post this tonight. Erlinda Rindon, the red one. Okay, some other items that are available. Just look at this. Okay, we have the vinegar. What's this? Ano to?
Yema.
Yema. Okay, they have the yema and other food items. So, have a glimpse on a Friday. Here are the consumers. Of course, that's the mother of Sir Eric Blancia.